Welcome to SKP Group, where we embody excellence, quality, and trust. Since 2012, we have been crafting global excellence across a diverse range of industries. From cashew processing, agro products, and marketing to infrastructure, real estate, and international trade, our commitment to integrity and innovation drives us forward. Rooted in local expertise and expanding with a global vision, SKP Group continues to make a positive impact through our various business ventures. Join us on our journey from local roots to global success. Since 2012, Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews Private Limited has soared as a global leader in the cashew industry. Situated in Vandaru, Udupi district, Karnataka. Our 10,000 square feet automated facility embodies excellence. We innovate relentlessly, using cutting-edge technology to optimize output for worldwide markets. In our rural setting, we empower communities, providing jobs and nurturing relationships through social initiatives. Quality is our hallmark. Our cashews undergo meticulous processing to meet international standards, ensuring satisfaction with every bite. From humble beginnings, our journey reflects a dedication to excellence. Committed to quality, we deploy advanced technology for timely delivery and adherence to industry standards. In the heart of the cashew plantation, a small evergreen tree called the Cajueiro thrived. With its short trunk and spirally arranged leaves, it reached toward the sky, bearing delicate flowers that bloomed into fiery red and yellow cashew fruit. But within this fruit lay a secret, a single seed, encased in a double shell, harboring a potent toxin. Despite its hidden dangers, this seed, known as the cashew nut, held culinary allure, coveted for its rich flavor. Amidst this natural marvel, Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews Private Limited emerged as a visionary enterprise, driven by a passion for quality and innovation. From the lush fields of cashew plantations to global markets, they curated the finest cashew products, ensuring each nut bore the mark of excellence. Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews' story unfolds, a tale of resilience, innovation, and the timeless allure of the cashew. From nature's bounty to human endeavor, their journey celebrates the magic of the cashew tree and the visionaries who dare to dream. In the heart of Udupi's rural landscape stood Mr. Sampath Shetty, a visionary whose journey from humble beginnings to global prominence is extraordinary. He led Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews Private Limited with determination and innovation, revolutionizing norms and reaching unprecedented heights. Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews Private Limited story is one of milestones, beginning in 2012 with modest ambitions and a team of 15 processing a mere 10 bags per day. Over the years, it evolved into a process-driven entity, making history in 2016 with its first export to UAE and Qatar. Under Mr. Shetty's leadership, Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews Private Limited achieved remarkable production milestones and full automation of production lines. His journey epitomized resilience and determination, building an empire fueled by boundless energy and unwavering conviction. Beyond mere success, Mr. Shetty envisions global recognition built on quality and service excellence. With innovation and experience, he transformed Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews Private Limited into a beacon of process-driven excellence. Guided by mentors and anchored by principles, Mr. Shetty propels Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews Private Limited toward unparalleled success. At Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews Private Limited, we are driven by a dedicated team committed to excellence. Together, we work towards our vision of becoming a global leader in premium cashew products. Our core values of quality, innovation, integrity, customer focus, and social responsibility guide us in every aspect of our operations. We strive to maintain our leadership position by prioritizing research, development, and infrastructure enhancement. Committed to sustainability and social welfare, we support education, healthcare, and environmental initiatives, aiming to make a positive impact on society and the environment. Through supply chain excellence and rigorous quality control measures, we uphold international standards and customer expectations. We ensure that each cashew kernel retains its natural goodness and distinctive taste, ready to delight discerning palates around the world. Join us as we take you behind the scenes of our cashew processing operation, where passion and dedication converge to create an unforgettable culinary experience. The journey of cashew processing begins right here, as the raw cashews are carefully sourced and brought into our facility from the godown. With precision and efficiency, our dedicated workers transfer raw cashews from the godown to the conveyor belt, ensuring a seamless flow of materials for further processing. Each step is meticulously executed to maintain the integrity and quality of the raw cashews as they journey through our production line. Our raw cashew dust removal process ensures the pristine purity of our cashew products, meeting the highest industry standards. The raw cashews undergo a thorough washing process in clean water, effectively removing any impurities and residues, ensuring the pristine quality and safety. In the subsequent phase, skilled workers carefully load the cashew shells into the boiler, where they are efficiently burned to generate the necessary heat for cooking the cashews, ensuring optimal flavor and texture in our premium cashew products. The raw cashews are subjected to a controlled boiling process, where they are gently simmered until perfectly cooked, enhancing their taste and texture while maintaining their nutritional integrity. After the cashews have been thoroughly cooked in the boiler, skilled workers delicately remove them from the heat, ensuring each batch is carefully handled to preserve their quality and prevent any damage. The cashew cutting section serves as a pivotal stage in the intricate process of cashew processing, where raw cashew nuts undergo transformation into the familiar kernels enjoyed worldwide. Here, skilled workers adeptly navigate specialized machinery to delicately slice through the tough shells and extract the prized kernels within. With precision and expertise, the cashew cutting section plays a crucial role in ensuring the quality and integrity of the final cashew products. Raw boiled cashews are prepared and eagerly await release from the bin, poised to undergo the cutting process that will unveil their coveted kernels within. The cashew cutting machine efficiently slices through the tough outer shell of raw cashews, revealing the precious kernels within with precision and accuracy. Once cut, cashews undergo separation, with the kernels and shell pieces sorted and processed separately to maximize efficiency and quality. After cashews undergo separation, they are subjected to further manual inspection to ensure that only high-quality kernels proceed to the next stage of processing, guaranteeing the finest end product for consumers. Skilled workers meticulously examine each kernel, removing any remaining shell pieces or imperfections, thereby upholding the stringent quality standards of the cashew processing industry. After cashews undergo separation, they require additional manual inspection to meticulously examine each kernel. The hot chamber process, also known as the steaming process, is a vital stage in the processing of cashew nuts. It involves the application of heat and moisture to the raw cashew nuts to facilitate the removal of their shells. Within these chambers, temperatures soar to an intense 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. It's here that a remarkable metamorphosis occurs. The raw cashew nuts, once firm and encased in their tough shells, undergo a dramatic transformation under the influence of steam and heat. As the hot chamber envelopes them in its warm embrace, the hard shells gradually soften, loosening their grip on the precious kernels nestled within. This controlled environment ensures that the cashew nuts are subjected to just the right amount of heat and moisture, preserving their integrity while making them more pliable for further processing. In the peeling process of cashew processing units, precision is paramount. Specialized machinery gently exerts pressure on the cashew nuts, causing the outer shell to crack and loosen without damaging the delicate kernel inside. This method ensures that the cashew kernels retain their shape and integrity, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. The efficiency and accuracy of the peeling process play a significant role in maintaining the high quality and consistency expected in the cashew industry, ensuring customer satisfaction with every nut. The cashew size sorting machine is an essential piece of equipment in cashew processing units, employing advanced technology to categorize kernels based on their size and dimensions. By ensuring uniformity in size, this machine enhances efficiency and quality control, resulting in a standardized and visually appealing end product. The color sorting machine is a sophisticated apparatus employed in cashew processing units to meticulously examine each kernel and separate them based on their color variations. Utilizing advanced optical sensors and algorithms, the machine swiftly identifies any discolored or defective kernels, ensuring only the highest quality cashews make it to the final product. This precision sorting process not only enhances the visual appeal of the cashews but also upholds the stringent quality standards expected by consumers. The Spectrum machine utilizes cutting-edge technology to achieve precision and perfection in cashew grading, ensuring maximum quality by meticulously sorting kernels based on various parameters such as size, shape, and color. The Nano sorting machine is a cutting-edge technology revolutionizing the cashew processing industry. It utilizes nanotechnology to achieve incredibly precise sorting of cashew kernels, detecting even the smallest imperfections and foreign particles. With its advanced sensors and algorithms, the nano sorting machine ensures that only the highest quality cashews are selected for packaging, meeting the exacting standards of consumers. This innovative approach not only enhances the efficiency and productivity of cashew processing units but also elevates the overall quality and appeal of the final product. Manual grading is a crucial step in the cashew processing journey, where skilled workers meticulously inspect and categorize cashew kernels based on various quality parameters. Armed with expertise honed through years of experience, these inspectors meticulously examine each kernel for size, color, shape, and texture, ensuring only the highest quality nuts make it to the final product. With a keen eye for detail, they carefully separate cashews into different grades, ranging from premium whole kernels to smaller broken pieces. The grading process involves rigorous quality control measures to meet the exacting standards set by consumers and industry regulations alike. Through manual grading, cashew processors uphold their commitment to delivering top-notch products that meet the expectations of discerning customers worldwide. This hands-on approach not only ensures consistency and uniformity but also adds a human touch to the craftsmanship behind every cashew kernel. The cashew filling facility is a state-of-the-art operation where cashew kernels are carefully packaged into containers, utilizing advanced machinery and stringent quality control measures to maintain freshness and ensure product integrity. Skilled personnel oversee the process, guaranteeing that each container is filled with precision and meets the highest standards of quality and hygiene. Cashew filling in tins involves a meticulous process of carefully packaging cashew kernels into metal containers, ensuring their freshness and longevity. From automated filling lines to manual packing stations, each step is executed with precision to meet quality standards and satisfy consumer expectations for premium cashew products. Cashew tin sealing is the final stage of the packaging process, where precision machinery seals metal containers to preserve the freshness and quality of the cashew kernels. This hermetic sealing ensures that the packaged cashews remain protected from external contaminants and maintain their flavor until they reach consumers' hands. A cashew package warehouse serves as a crucial hub in the distribution chain, where bulk quantities of cashew products are stored before shipment to retailers or wholesalers. These warehouses are strategically designed to accommodate large volumes of packaged cashews while ensuring optimal storage conditions to preserve freshness and quality. Temperature and humidity control systems are often employed to maintain the integrity of the cashew kernels and prevent spoilage. Efficient inventory management practices are implemented to track stock levels, rotation, and expiry dates, ensuring timely replenishment and minimal waste. With stringent quality control measures in place, cashew package warehouses uphold industry standards and contribute to the seamless flow of high-quality cashew products to markets worldwide. Power supply and backup systems are the lifelines of modern infrastructure, ensuring uninterrupted operation even in the face of electrical disruptions. From robust generators to advanced UPS units, these technologies provide critical support, safeguarding against downtime and maintaining productivity. Compressors are integral to cashew processing units, facilitating the pneumatic systems that power various stages of the process, from shelling to packaging. These high-efficiency machines ensure consistent air pressure, optimizing performance and throughput in the production line. Ensuring a clean and hygienic canteen facility for workers is not just a matter of compliance, it's a fundamental aspect of prioritizing employee health and well-being. From meticulous cleaning schedules to rigorous food safety protocols, every aspect of the canteen's operation must be geared towards maintaining optimal cleanliness standards. This includes regular disinfection of surfaces, proper storage of food items, and adherence to strict hygiene practices by canteen staff. Furthermore, adequate ventilation and comfortable seating arrangements are essential for creating a pleasant dining environment. Proper ventilation helps mitigate the spread of airborne contaminants, while comfortable seating encourages workers to relax and enjoy their meals. By investing in the cleanliness and hygiene of the canteen facility, employers demonstrate their commitment to the health and satisfaction of their workforce, fostering a positive workplace culture and enhancing overall productivity.
हेलो, मैं रघुवीर शर्मा, ब्रोकरेज। मैं संपत सेठी के साथ बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहा हूँ। जब से छोटा सा स्मॉल फैक्ट्री से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, आज इतना अच्छा लेवल पहुँचा है। क्वालिटी और बिजनेस का जो मेथड है बहुत पसंद है मुझे, और मैं बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहा हूँ संपत के साथ। इनका फैक्ट्री श्री कृष्णा प्रसाद केशव प्राइवेट लिमिटेड मंदारती के नियर बाई है, वंडारू जैसे, और क्वालिटी सुपर। मेरे सभी बायर्स ऑल आर हैप्पी। थैंक यू।
Hi, good afternoon. I'm with Mr. Sampat Shetty of Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews. So I've come from Bombay and I'm in Udupi district. It's quite amazing to see a factory so well made, all the workers and people and staff being taken care of, feeding lunch to the visitors, feeding lunch to guests like me, and the quality is simply outstanding. I strongly recommend anyone visiting Udupi to please come to this factory to buy cashews. The quality is excellent, the processes they follow, good manufacturing practices, hygiene, and just the people over here are all very nice. So please come to Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews, and I strongly recommend them. I'm Chetan Dalal from Premium Foods, Bombay. Thank you.
At Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews, our journey is marked by shared memories of growth and success. Together, we continue to embrace unity, collaboration, and a commitment to excellence as we shape our collective future. Cashew nuts offer more than just taste, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, healthy fats, and proteins, they support heart health, though excessive protein intake can cause tooth decay and acne. At Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews, quality is our priority. We adhere to strict standards, from raw material selection to packaging, ensuring compliance with international regulations. Our ISO and FSSAI certifications guarantee safety. At Sri Krishna Prasad Cashews, our commitment to excellence drives every aspect of our processing operations. Through the integration of advanced technology and stringent quality control measures, we strive to deliver premium cashew products that exceed the expectations of our customers worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our cashew processing facility, where quality and dedication are our guiding principles.